Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2021 Volkswagen Tiguan SE-R in gray with HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot monitoring, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 10-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, split folding rear seats, panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 908388A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.